Spamalot combines British comedy and Broadway's glitz and glamour. If names like Monty Python and the Holy Grail ring a bell, you're in for a treat. In a world where Broadway shows often strive for perfection and grandeur, Spamalot takes a different route. Spamalot is a self-mocking, hilariously absurd musical that makes fun of the very foundations of traditional Broadway.
Have you heard of this Broadway?
Yes, sire. And we don't stand a chance there.
Why not?
Spamalot is not just a show, it's a paradox. It borrows its name from the mundane yet notorious term spam, a nod to a classic Monty Python sketch.
I don't want any spam! Why can't you have egg, bacon, spam and sausage? That's got spam in it!
Monty Python used the food brand Spam in one of their sketches for TV. The term spam became associated with annoying emails. And now the company Spam is one of the sponsors of the musical on Broadway. The story supposedly breathes life into the medieval tales of King Arthur and his knights in medieval England. But this is not your typical chivalric tale.
England, 932 AD. King Arthur gathered his knights together.
This assumption about the musical being about King Arthur in England may be wrong.
Finland, 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 that's the country for me.
The show gleefully mocks its own narrative, taking you on a roller coaster ride of laughter. Characters like the Lady of the Lake and the courageous Sir Robin sometimes steal the limelight, their importance magnified beyond your expectations.
Come with me, sweet Galahad. You'll be a man, join Arthur's clan. Come with me, and I will make you glad.
But the show's true essence lies in its relentless pursuit of self-deprecation and audience satisfaction.
Once in every show, there comes a song like this.
A sentimental song that casts a magic spell. They all will hum along, we'll overact like hell.
The experience of watching Spamalot is akin to a joyride. Highs and lows are woven seamlessly into the fabric of the show. It borrows a song from another Monty Python masterpiece.
Everybody, always look on the bright side of life.
However, all is not perfect in the land of Spamalot. The pre-show organization can test your patience. One moment you're standing in a line, the next you're being shuffled around like a chess piece. The chaos of having multiple lines for multiple entrances can be quite baffling. And then there are the audience members. Some add to the charm, engaging in delightful conversations about coconuts and rabbits. Yet others can be a distraction. Someone who knows every joke, every song, every dialogue. Now imagine them laughing uproariously before the joke even begins, their laughter often drowning out the cast's performance. That is not a good memory for me. So there you have it, Spamalot, a show that is as entertaining as it is unconventional. It's a Broadway experience like no other, filled with laughter, absurdity, and a dash of chaos. It's a show that doesn't shy away from its flaws, instead embracing them with open arms. After all, isn't that what makes life, and indeed Spamalot, so wonderfully unpredictable?